Welcome to the Himalayas. This is the right podcast. Nangangapit bahay, guys. Anyway, I am A and no, I'm Anne. She's Emil.
You're in the wrong You're in the wrong pod.
Together, we're a million, and this is a million words per minute.
You know what's funny?
You?
No. What I mean is, a million words tapos ang tagal nating walang pinost because we had no words.
We actually had a lot of words. It's just not safe for,
Baka kasi so early on we're like canceled.
cancelled. And we can't afford to be cancelled right now. We need
Tsaka na pag may
We need you guys to love us. Please love us. Choose us. Charing.
pick me, choose
Pick
me.
Choose me. Love me. Diba? That's the line. I don't know what
I don't know
movie.
I don't know if that came from a movie.
It came from a
But
movie, I'm pretty
every
sure.
time I hear that line, the follow-up goes to from an actual movie is yung I'm just a girl standing
Standing
in
in front
front
of
of boy.
asking him to love her. That's from Hugh Grant and Julia Roberts'
Yeah.
movie.
Notting
Notting
Hill,
Hill.
yeah.
I love that movie. Oh my
That's
gosh.
the one yung chance encounter.
Chons.
Nag-British
fancy.
siya.
British.
Yun yung chance encounter, right?
Oh,
Serendipity, which
serendipity.
I mistakenly was saying when
It's
I
all-
really meant serenity.
Yes.
Which is what our podcast is for today. Wow, galing
It's
mag-segue, no?
Serenity. What does serenity mean? Sige nga. Hindi yung milky shop,
Hindi sponsored. Unless.
pero baka naman. Will work for milk tea, ganun.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I would
We-
definitely.
We would.
For milk tea, for
We actually
coffee,
love
for
milk tea. And,
anything, really.
yeah, that's why we're fat. And there's nothing wrong with that because in this podcast, we are body positivity.
True. Up,
Yeah.
slow, but.
Oh. Have a charger. You can plug it.
I don't have my extension cord. The boy took it.
Anyway, let's make it fast.
Okay.
Let's talk a million words per minute. We're gonna talk about our Serenity song.
So very quick lang naman. You mentioned yours early and I still have not
My
thought of mine.
Serenity song is True by Spandau Ballet. Did you know that all my life I've been saying the band name incorrect?
Kasi, Martika, you're saying it as Pando, no?
I'm saying it as Spandau. It's not Spandau. It's
Spandau.
Spandau. Can you
Arctic.
imagine?
Arctic siya?
Arctic siya kasi. Ayan tuloy. Okay.
So,
They're a
bakit,
British band from the 80s.
so bakit yun yung Serenity song mo?
I don't know. Every time I'm angry, I just put it on and then
What is
I'm
mine?
calm. And then there's different there's different versions of this song because I think Adam Sandler also loves this song so much. It's in all of his movies. If you watch
It's not in Grown Ups.
it's not in Grown Ups, pero his earlier movies. It's in Wedding Singer. It's in 50
It's
First
not in
Dates.
Uncut Gems.
Uncut Gems. Which I did not enjoy. That's the only
I
movie of
fell
his that I
asleep
did not
in that
enjoy.
movie.
Anyway,
Anyway.
yun na nga. Merong version ng
I was
yung
thinking
Black
this
Eyed
version.
Peas.
Meron din yung
They have
version
a
in that
version
one
din.
movie.
Mhm.
Or am I thinking of a different song?
I don't know.
What's his name kasi?
Okay,
Was it with
I
Drew
can talk
Barrymore?
I can talk a million words with you. I can't read your mind.
No. It was because dati, guys, when there was no Apple Music or Spotify, then when you had to manually put your songs into your
In
device.
other words, pirata siya dati, guys.
Excuse
But who
me,
isn't?
hindi. Ikaw yung
Ako ba yung pirata?
Hello, hindi naman ako marunong dati. I was what?
Okay, that was the time
Anyway.
of LimeWire and,
My second phone, kasi yung first phone ko yung Nokia na brick. Anyway,
Nokia na brick?
yung blue, well, it was red when it was yours. When you gave it to me, it
The
was
egg.
blue. The egg.
It was 6600, yeah. The Nokia 6600.
Yeah, that was my first phone.
Yeah.
I'm so old when I think of that. And
That
then my
wasn't
second,
my first phone. My first
yeah,
phone was
that was, but that was my first phone. Yung mga ka-age ko, usually yung mga phone na nila is touchscreen na kasi.
Hindi wala pang touchscreen when the 6600
Hindi,
came
pero
out.
kasi,
Namana mo yun. Pero
oo,
hindi, I don't,
pero kasi,
wala
actually,
pa.
wala
Hindi pa
pa,
lumabas. Oh, exage
hindi,
ka.
pero nung binigay mo sa akin yun, naka-iPhone 3G ka na eh.
3GS.
3GS, oo.
Oo. May
May
iPhone na.
touchscreen na.
Oo. Pero yung mga ano, yung mga Samsung Champ, yung binabalik, parang wag na.
Hey, pero sabi sa that one TikTok video, sabi niya, if you had that girl, you were a
Okay,
baddie.
meron kaming funny story about that. Sa segue lang tayo, a million words, di ba, for a reason. So, may cousin ako, meron siyang Samsung Champ. Uso yung takawan ng cellphone talaga dati dito sa Baguio.
Lalo na
Yung
sa
sa
overpass.
overpass.
That certain overpass that we go through
Like,
kasi
yan yung
pauwi.
overpass na winawarn ka ng magulang mo. No, mag-ingat ka doon, maraming nandudukot doon, ganyan. Anyway, doon siya dumaan. Tapos, I guess, tinay dukutan. Tapos nakita yung phone niya. Yun nga, yung Samsung Champ.
Samsung
Tapos,
Champ.
binalik sa kanya, like, ate, yung phone mo nalaglag. Parang, yung siya, parang, paano mahuhulog yung phone niya? It's like in her,
Oo.
on the inside of her bag, ganun. So, parang, oh, okay, thanks. Parang ganun.
Pero kasi that time, nung nanakaw yung almost stolen Champ, uso na yung mga iPhone 4.
Wala na atang charger nung time na yun, ng
Oo.
Champ. Like, mahirap na.
Mahirap na. Kasi that was just a free phone from, may son pa nga nun eh.
Oh, from Sun, nakuha yun for free. So, parang it was patapon na phone. Tapos, you know, you don't give kids, you know, like,
That was just an
proper phones.
emergency
Like,
phone nga. Kasi
yeah,
dati
for her.
naman, di ba, the reason why we have phones is para mag-text mo
Makatawag
ako
ka,
pag or
ganyan.
matawag mo ako kung hindi kita masundo. Just like
Yeah.
that one time na,
It happened once. You were fine.
hello, half day. Guys, it was a Friday, so lahat ng tao uwing-uwi na, di ba? It was a Friday.
Ano oras ka na dismiss?
Elementary ako nun sa mga 10 o'clock, dismiss na ako.
Ano oras ako dumating?
Magta-12 na, girl. Lunchtime na. Yung kasama ko na lang sa school yung guard.
Dumating ba ako? Hindi.
I think that's also why, nag-segue again for a minute. But I feel like that's the reason why lahat ng mga guards na encounter ko, nagiging friend ko. Because I have this thing with guards.
Because they made you feel
They made me
safe.
feel safe.
Exactly. And at the end of the day, that's their job.
Shout out
Like,
Kuya Roger.
yeah.
You were the one there. Ngayon kasi nasa
Nasa
ano,
Starbucks
na
na
siya.
Yeah.
And he still remembers me.
How can he forget the girl who was left?
I know, right? Kawawa naman yung batang to. Siya pa yung nangaasar sa akin yung una.
It happened once.
He was like, hala, kawawa ka naman, tsaka.
It happened once. Okay. One time.
But it was one time, too much.
Okay, what's your Serenity song?
Dami kong sinabi, but I
That
don't
one song
know
that you go to, like when you're
I
sad.
don't think I have that.
Kasi I remember when I broke up with somebody, this is the song that
I
you
never
know,
got to
made
say
me feel
what song,
hopeful.
what version I was thinking about doon for True.
If it was even that song that you
There's a movie. Is it Drew Barrymore? Is it Matthew McConaughey? Hugh Laurie? Hugh Laurie?
Hugh Grant.
House? Hugh Grant.
Drew Barrymore, music and lyrics, it wasn't there.
Or hindi si Drew Barrymore. Basta it was a movie with Hugh Grant.
Hugh Laurie is House.
House, I know.
Okay.
I've been seeing a lot
Hugh
of House
Grant.
clips, okay?
Hugh Grant is the Oompa Loompa. You might know him from that.
No, yeah, I know Hugh Grant. But yun nga, he has a version. I know. He has movie with that version.
He doesn't
My,
have, no.
It was in a studio. He was in a, I don't know. Basta there's a girl there also.
Obviously. Pero I don't think he has a version of the...
I will search it and show you later.
Will.
But Serenity song ko, I don't think I...
So, bakit Serenity song yung naisip ko? Wala lang. Kasi kanina in the car, I was like, this is my Serenity song. I just realized. Because every time I am in a foul mood, I put it on and all of a sudden,
You know how we
the
got to
world
that?
is
How we even started playing True? Daddy started singing Take On Me because Bashang asked, what is the first song that comes up in your head when you hear Take Me?
Take Me. Yeah. Sabi niya, siya daw, naisip niya, take me to a place I'd like to go somewhere.
That or Take Me Home, Country Road. Pero kasi yung Take On Me was me and Daddy's. Coincidentally.
And before that kasi we were talking about Hey Now.
Yeah.
What song do you go to?
Outcast. Ay, not Outcast. Hey ya pala si Outcast.
No. What's Hey Now?
Hey Now, you're a rockstar. Si Smash Mouth?
Yeah, I think. Shrek.
Smash Mouth.
Okay, they were famous before Shrek, pero yeah.
Smash
Okay.
Mouth.
Hindi Hey now, hey now.
No, the first thing I hear
this
is
what dreams
I did.
are made of.
I don't remember watching that Lizzie McGuire movie.
I
You know, I only know it
there's also another
because of
version
the clips.
The
And
hey
then
now
it
na
just so happens that clip came up on my,
the one that goes hey now. How does it go? um, what? Wait, it's playing in my mind. I can't just say
hey
no.
now, don't
The
dream it
don't dream it's over. Yeah.
over.
Hey
I
now.
totally butchered that song.
We totally butchered that song. We
Sa
are not singers.
sa 0.1% na hindi kumakanta sa Pilipinas, part kami nun.
So don't believe the lies. Not all Filipinos can sing. We are part of the
People say I
1%.
can dance. I don't know. It's like,
To be fair, my mother said I could sing.
she never said I could sing. She was like, paano ang boses mo?
You can't stop.
Which is weird, no?
You
Kasi
should sing
no,
your own song.
yeah, exactly. I think that's why, kasi you taught me how, when I'm scared. Yun eh, maybe that's why I don't have a Serenity song. It's because you taught me if you're scared, you just sing whatever comes up in your head.
And then I
And
realized she couldn't sing, so I'm like, maybe you should sing your own song.
yeah,
No one can tell you it doesn't go that way because it's your song.
exactly. Exactly. Like, how do you know?
So you know, it's my song.
Tapos yung mga songs ko dati, one-liner lang.
Yeah,
Pero
but it
paulit-ulit.
works.
Diba?
Kind of like how songs are today.
Ha! Trendsetter pala ako.
Yes, nauna ka.
I was first, guys. No, but, yeah, I think I don't really have that go-to song na
Are you
I have
sure?
to listen to
When you're
so I can
sad,
get into the
when you're
Hindi.
lonely.
If I hear a song, I will chill out kahit anong song 'yan.
Talaga? Kahit Metallica.
Sure.
Yung with silent
Mapapaano ka.
screaming, like corn.
I don't think I can do silent scream. I don't know that kind of rock, no. But like if it was like punk rock or like pop rock,
Yeah, it's
but like
fine.
rock metallic,
Like
I cannot.
hardcore, like
Met-
metal rock.
Metal rock I cannot.
Yeah.
Metallic.
Metal
Metallica kasi. I like the guitar riffs in those kind of
sounds.
pero
Guitar
yung
riffs. Whoa. The shredding part.
yeah, those are
My
cool.
brother is an amazing shredder. That's why he goes by Shred Drake on Instagram. It's like, listen to his songs. It's literally
That's
like
how he proposed to
amazing.
his wife. That's so
Yeah.
sweet.
Diba? Isn't that crazy?
Everybody was like, "What?
No,
What?"
kasi he didn't tell
Yeah,
me.
he just said, "Hey
Siguro
guys,
he
I have
told
this song."
Siguro he told my other sister, but he definitely did not tell me. So when I listened to the song for the first time, like, what? Wait, what?
Wait, then was
What?
that a proposal?
Yeah, he did. He did. He proposed to her.
That's really sweet.
Diba? Yeah, it is. It's very thoughtful. Not to tell anybody yung mga, alam mo yun. So it was completely unexpected. I don't know if he told somebody. Maybe he probably, I don't know, maybe
From what I
hidden.
remember, even Tito Joy was like surprised.
Or she, I don't know. I don't
Or
remember.
I
But I
don't know.
remember I was super surprised because I didn't know. I didn't even think that he was thinking about, settling
Getting
down.
married.
Yeah, but good for him. And then she said yes, diba? So gooder.
Gooder. For gooder or for worse,
For
babe.
gooder.
For gooder or better.
Yeah. Yeah, yun lang. Yun, so.
Serenity? No, I don't.
Panoorin niyo yung Serendipity, guys. Kanina pa niyo binabanggit. Maganda yun. Si Ethan Hunt yun. I have no idea who that guy is anymore. But it's like the girl from, Kate, Kate Beckinsale. What? What's her name? That Kate girl.
I don't think I was born.
Serendipity. I'm gonna put the poster right here because I'm gonna be the one to edit this because guys, guess who's
I've got a big girl
employed?
job again!
Not gonna tell you what
Yay!
it is yet, baka ma-jinx. Pero
Oh,
like,
that's true.
but she's employed now again. So,
Kaya
good for
guys, yung
you.
mga, if you've noticed yung editing
That's
style
why
ko,
we have
mawawala na yun.
That's why we haven't had a podcast episode is because
Life just
life,
life.
life just life, and she's now lifing her best life.
Yes, this is gonna be my best life. And then I just noticed yesterday because I was checking my calendar because that's what I do now. Check my calendar.
Amazing.
I was born February. And I looked at the February, the month. It was
Guys,
so perfect. It landed like
okay.
Sunday
So,
to Saturday. Crazy.
so
Straight.
sometime this week, she's going to celebrate her 24th birthday. So guys, if you are single, you are a male, single, 24 to 30,
30?
ano, you wanna go higher?
Okay na yun.
Di ba? Give us a, you know, you wanna date her?
Palamunin ako, guys.
Her hobbies include
My
eating.
hobbies include sleeping, eating. If you think about it, I'm like a dog.
No, she's like a cat.
A
You
cat.
guys.
Like a cat. Sleeping, eating.
She's angry when she's hungry.
I will scratch you when I'm hungry.
But she's
I will.
really, really happy when she's full and fully fed. And,
Yes.
she's
Tapos
just
may
in a
mga
nap.
moments na naman na clingy ako. But those are like
On her
sometimes.
terms.
On my, like a cat. Like a cat.
You're so not a dog.
I am so not a dog. Yeah,
The dog
no.
is, Emilia is the dog.
If I were to be a dog,
Emilio.
feel ko yung kind of dog ako, chihuahua. Yung maliit pero aggressive.
Si Emilio, he is. What kind of dog is he? Never siya golden retriever, no?
I don't know, he's not.
Not a dog.
In his relationship, it's si Pat yung golden retriever.
No, I don't think so.
Siya kasi yung more, yung outlook niya, he's giving golden retriever.
Kasi she's happy. She's like a generally happy person.
Exactly, golden
Si
retriever.
Josh.
Si Josh.
Yeah.
Si Josh.
Anyway, guys, that's it for this week's episode of The Million Words. Big D, you sure? Malay mo, surprise birthday episode. We'll see.
Gusto ko mag-stream on my birthday, but then also like,
Big girl job.
big girl job.
But like, we will see. Okay, guys. May dadagdag ka pa? What do you think
Wala
about
na.
your Serenity song?
I drop it in the comments below. Wow! Galing ko talaga mag-segue.
But we wanna know what your Serenity song is. So,
Para malaman namin agad-agad.
it would be nice if you can make like a playlist of all your...
True.
You know,
Make a playlist. Or share this video, and then in the caption, your Serenity song, and then you tag us.
Absolutely, do that.
Tapos, when we're famous, we
Oh,
look
wow.
back at we look back at this day, and then
Make us famous, you guys. We're ready. Charing.
I'm so ready. Like, bring it on. Come on, world.
Anyway, that's it for this week's episode. This in million words.
I don't think the mic is picking up you.
It is
Picking you up. Picking up you.
Okay, guys, that's it. She needs to sleep. Bye.